This is Ali from TechHiltra Solutions Private Limited. Today I'm going to demonstrate WhatsApp integration in Odoo. This integration has been done so that we can help the companies reduce their lead time, whether be it product selling or customer relations. So without any further ado, let me show you how this works. Here you can see the screen. This is the Odoo interface of the company, and for the ease of showing the demonstration, I have downloaded WhatsApp desktop, and here this is attached to my number and I'll be acting as a customer. So for example, if the customer wants to inquire about any product, they can directly send message on the company's WhatsApp number like this. So here the customer has sent the message. The agent will receive a pop-up like this over here about the query. So the agent can go to discuss, and here he can see the query. Now we have automated this process, like there are three templates which has been already made so that the work of the agent is smooth. For example, he can directly send the greetings from with a single click, and the customer will receive like this. This template can be modified as per the company's requirement, and many more templates can also be added. And for example, the customer has requested for whiteboard pen, so the agent can directly go to the products on the same page, check from the inventory, and if the product is there, you can directly click on the send button. So product details for like in this case, the picture of the product and price per unit will be sent to the customer. See how fast the communication works over here. So for example, now the customer wants a quotation. In this case, there are two ways to send the quotation. One is from the same page over here. The agent does not have to change the page and directly can go to sales, create a quotation from here. The Now if the agent is creating quotation from here, the customer name will automatically be selected by the system, and the other option where the agent can send the quotation, I'll show you that later, but in that the customer has to be selected. So here the customer name is already selected, and then the agent can add details like the product details, then the quantity, for example in this case 100 piece. So and any other terms and condition, payment terms and condition, and save the quotation, and then directly click on send quotation by WhatsApp. Now here a window will appear where if there are any predefined templates, like we have already defined a template, so that can be selected by the agent and then directly send message. So the customer will receive the message, this predefined template, along with the quotation in PDF format. Like this, and this is the PDF format, so you can download it and open it like this. I'm using two windows, so it has opened in another window. So this is a quotation which the customer can see directly through their mobile device. Similarly, sales order can also be sent from here in the same way how the quotation was sent. Purchase order can also be created from here. Any predefined templates can be sent from here. Any invoices which are already there, like for example this is the invoice, that can also be sent, but I'll show you another way also, uh, through which this all things can be sent. So the benefit of this is the agent can stay on the same page and use these features to communicate with, communicate different things to the customer without moving to any other location. Even in help desk, if the ticket has been already created, this can be sent directly from here, but I'll show another way also. So let's go to the main page. For example, again the quotation has to be sent, so the agent can create a quotation from here also. Here he'll have to select, as I said, the agent will have to select the company, feed in the details, save it, and send quotation, to the customer. Again, use the predefined template and then send. So the quotation again will be sent to the customer like this. Same way, purchase order can be created going in this purchase, feed in all the details, and then use the send by WhatsApp to send all the details. In inventory, the receipts also, the delivery orders, POS order, for example, delivery order. Let's see this. It again, you can create this delivery, search in the customer's details, feed in all the details, save it, and then send through WhatsApp, and it will be sent. So POS orders, receipts also. So all this, even invoicing can be done. You can create an invoice, and then again you have the option of sending it through WhatsApp. So basically all the features can be um, is useful. All the features are useful in this, which can be communicated through WhatsApp, whether it be it purchase order, sales order, quotation, invoicing. And one more thing, with regards to customer relation, what for example, if the customer is having any query, let's say, and if the customer is sending some details along with this, any attachment about the product for which they are having any complaint, so the agent can go to discuss over here. Okay, this is sent now. Here, the agent will receive customer's query. Hi, I have issue with whiteboard pen and the attachment of the document. So the agent can open the attachment and check what for which product there is an issue. So you can go to help desk. We can write to customer from here also. So this is sent to the, and then from help desk module, the agent can create a ticket like this. Here we can select the customer, the agent has, whom this ticket will be assigned to, the type of ticket, priority, any further description can be added here. So once the agent saves this, creates a ticket, an automated message will be sent to the customer along with a link. This will be the link where once the customer clicks on the link, he'll be able to see the status and also any communication done on this ticket. So he'll be able to see on that page also. And for example, if the ticket has been moved to in progress from here, so again this update will be sent to the customer automatically, and further if it is solved, then also it will be sent to the customer like this. like this all messages will also appear in this chatter, what progress has been made. Um for example, see this quotation, when we had sent this quotation, it will also be updated over here. So there are multiple ways to track the communication. The best is this discuss page, where everything can be tracked from top to bottom. Now there is one more feature like this agent. For example, let's say the company, from the company side, sales manager is dealing with the customer. Now he wants to add a sales executive who can take the call further or close the deal further, so he'll add up the agent. Once this agent is added, this agent can, from his desk he can log into Odoo interface, and he can see all these chats, and he can then communicate with the customer further. The sales manager will also be able to see all the chat, what is happening between sales executive and the customer, so he can also interfere if there is some requirement for the sales manager to be in the chat. So that, for this feature, basically multiple agents can communicate with the customer if needed. Similarly, this tool can be used for marketing purpose, where we can customize, and a single agent can send WhatsApp message, promotional message to multiple customers. Predefined templates can also be sent like this whiteboard pen offer for any particular occasion. So this message can be sent to multiple customers on any occasion through WhatsApp, in order to attract them for a purchase, like this. Predefined template also includes, closing chat, uh, or say feedback surveys, if just to be sure how, so that the customer can rate our services. And these are, customized as per company's need. We can have numerous templates also, and we can further customize the whole module also for as per the business needs. Some companies require only one directional chat, but this feature is bi-directional, so there are two-way communications over here. Not only can the company send messages to the customers, but also can receive and keep a track of the same. So I hope this video will be helpful to you, and definitely it will be helpful to your company in minimizing the lead time. Again, as I said, whether be it product selling or closing a deal, or customer relation, customer complaint resolution, it it helps in all these areas, and this will definitely smooth your business communication. So we look forward that you will contact us in purchasing this product, and we'll be very delightful to help you with that. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.